Hi guys, it's 5:30 in the morning and we are ready for the trek to the top of the hill from where we can see a 360-degree view. So yes, we are heading for that. Let's go. It was a great track, a very good breathing exercise. I'm feeling so good, although very tired. So apart from trekking, apple plucking, and of course work from hills too, we got to spend some of the beautiful moments that felt like meditation in itself, sharing some of those with you. With this relaxed state of mind, we tried out some fun photo shoots. Do check it out. Perhaps you may try some of these on your next staycation.
थकना नहीं, रुकना नहीं, कैमरा चल रहा है। हाँ, भागते रहे। नज़ारे को देखो और फिर इस लड़की को देखो मेंटल गर्ल.
It's urgent work. I have to do it. I can't help it.
जालोरी पास पे काम कर रही है लड़की.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा, प्लीज लाइक एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इफ यू वांट टू वॉच मोर ट्रैवल कंटेंट फ्रॉम अस.